Good afternoon, friends. Today I start a new series, and its a series name is Stereochemistry. Why I am starting a new chapter? Because stereochemistry is a important in my last video is related to NMR spectroscopy and all informations related to NMR spectroscopy is completed, and my next lecture of NMR spectroscopy is related to signals. How can find signals in different molecules and compound. But before the finding of signals, we have a knowledge of stereochemistry, because diastereomers and enantiomers both give a different signals. So what is a diastereomers compound, what is a enantiomer compound? That type of knowledge is related to stereochemistry. So I am starting a stereochemistry for giving that type of knowledge. Okay, let's start. Why is a stereochemistry is a very important for a study. Through my example I will explain. In Germany 1956, one type of disasters happened, and that disaster is the name of a thalidomide disaster. In Germany, 1956, researchers invent a thalidomide drug, and that drug is related to mild sleeping disease. And for this drug, right structure is R form. This drug structures, and R form is a right structure for a thalidomide drug. But in our body, many chiral material or substance are already present, such as enzymes, amino acid, and because of a presence of that chiral material, many compounds are changed in our body when we take, and after taking that compounds conformations will be changed in a future because of our body phenomena. So, and that type of a phenomena also held in this on that reason, and that when and many pregnant women was used a thalidomide drug. But after born of a child, but her child, her child are born with a deformed limbs. Why born with a deformed limbs? Because thalidomide drug conformations change when thalidomide drug enter into our body, and the conformations will be changed into that conformation. Means R form is a right form for a drug, but R form convert into S form, and that form is not good for health. And because of that form and that structures, child born with a deformed limb. So through my exam, many other examples are also present in word. So stereochemistry is a very important for a study, and many scientists and researchers are focused on stereochemistry after a discovering of any compound. So clinical trial is a very important method of any drug discovery, because due to a clinical method we have the ability to identify which drug is a good and which drug is a not good for our health and human body. Okay, it's a normal intro for stereochemistry. Why is the important stereochemistry? And okay, then first is information. Firstly, in our mind, what is a symmetrical molecule, what is a asymmetrical molecule? It's a normal terms of stereochemistry, and a very and a very basic knowledge of a stereochemistry. So what is a symmetrical molecule? Symmetrical molecule means those molecules whose appearance does not change if you turn it about an excess of a symmetry. Means this molecule is a symmetrical molecules, and this molecule's appearance does not change, and this molecule is have a symmetry, and in all rotations are possible, and all rotations are a same, and appearance does not change, and original and rotate state are indistinguishable from one another. It means mirror image are a same. And asymmetrical molecules not have a plane या center of a symmetry. Means mirror image is not a same of a asymmetrical molecule. For example, this molecule is a asymmetrical molecule, and in case for a mirror image of this molecule, then mirror image are not the same to this molecule, and both mirror image not the same to each other. So it's this molecule is a asymmetrical molecule, and not present any type of a symmetry, not a plane of symmetry, not a center of symmetry. Then in our mind again questions will be create, what is a plane of symmetry and what is a center of symmetry? Okay, I will try to explain. Plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is a nothing. It's a only a imaginary line. Means image only image in your mind and in our mind. For example, it's a molecule, and when it's a molecule, and if we imagine cut in a center through the center, then it's an imaginary line and pass it to the through the center. Then after a passing we get this side and this side, both are the same to each other. This side is the same to this side, and this side is the same to this side. Means both sides are same, and it means this molecule have a plane of symmetry, and it's a symmetrical molecules. Means both sides are same. For example, here is a mirror is a present in this region, then this and this both images are the same. Okay, so this molecule is a symmetrical molecule, and plane of symmetry present in this area. And this molecule is also a present a plane of symmetry. How can for assume this at CST compound is not a CST. For assume it's a sphere, and here is also assume it's a type of a sphere, yeah, ball, and then cut of both balls through the imaginary line, and then this imaginary line pass in a center of this molecule. Then both sides are the same after a passing of a imaginary line in a center. So this molecule is a have a plane of symmetry, and it means it's only a imaginary line, and through the imaginary line we imagine which molecule have a plane of symmetry and which molecule not have a plane of symmetry. And for example, it's a methane, and it's a center carbon, and here is a hydrogen, present a hydrogen, and all atoms are the same. So the passing through a imaginary line and the symmetry, where then bisect this molecule, and bisect this molecules, this atom and this atom. Then after a passing of imaginary line, that bisect molecules into a half, and that are a mirror image of each other. And this is also mirror image of each other, and this molecule both side are also mirror image of each other. It's the plane of symmetry. And what is the center of symmetry? Center of symmetry means any imaginary point is present in a center. For example, in if a sphere, it's a square, then any imaginary point present in a center. Here is a imaginary point, here is a imaginary point present in a center. Then through the center passing an imaginary line, then other compounds, other atoms are present to the center in a same distance. For atoms are present in a same distance to a center. For example, this compound, here is it's a imaginary point and present in a center of this molecule. Then here is a carboxylic atom, here is a carboxylic atom, compounds. Then this the distance from this point to this point is the same, and distance from this point to this point is the same. Means it's a and this point to this point distance is the same, and this point to this point distance is the same. Means this group and this group, both group are same, and this group and this group, both group are same. For a center of symmetry, it's important both group are same in a opposite side, not in a different group. In case methyl group is present in here and carboxylic group present in here, then here center of symmetry are not present, because here is a carboxylic group and here is a methyl group, both group are different. So it's important both group are same in a opposite direction, and the distance of a center to this group is the same, and this point to this point is the same. It means this molecule have a center of symmetry, because all group are opposite groups. This side groups are the same, diagonally group are the same, and the distance are also same from a from a center point. And the center of symmetry is also called the inversion center, and for it's C represented by a Ci. So it's the center of symmetry, and here is also present a center of symmetry. It's a center point, and from this point, this oxygen and this oxygen, this oxygen to this point distance is the same, and here is this oxygen, and here is opposite side, here is also oxygen is present, and the distance of this point to this point is the same. So both are the same, and here is a hydroxy group and here is a hydroxy group, and distance from this point to this point and distance from this point to this point are same. So here is also a, if the imaginary line pass through a center, so this compound is also a present in a center of symmetry. And in this image, this is here this sphere present a center of symmetry, square is a present a center of symmetry, but triangle not a present a center of symmetry. Why? Because see, this point is a conical point, but here is a not a present a conical point, here is a center, and from a center the distance, this distance to center and distance to center same, but here is a conical point, but here is a not a conical point, and here it's a conical point is a present. And in case we pass the image, oh sorry, we pass imaginary line from this point to center, then pass through a center, then here is a conical point, but here is a not a conical point, and also here is a conical point, but here is a not a conical point. It means in this compound not a present a inversion center, a center of symmetry. So it's a center of symmetry. And which compound is a symmetrical and asymmetrical, and what is a plane polarized light? Plane polarized light, okay, I will try to explain. It's a normal light, and normal light have all type of a direction, not only a one direction. Normal light have all type of a direction. It's a normal or ordinary light and have all type of a direction. But when a normal light pass through a prism, and this prism is a Nichols prism, and pass through this prism, then normal light convert into plane polarized light, means have only a one direction, so only one direction. And when a plane polarized light pass through a organic compound, and this organic compound is a and in this part present a asymmetric organic compound. Then this organic compound rotate this light to this direction and this direction. This direction is called a D form, and this direction is called a L form, means dextrorotatory and a levorotatory. Then then what is a optical inactive and what is a optical active? Means any substance which does not rotate the plane polarized light, plane of a plane polarized light, that substance is called a optical inactive substance. Means symmetrical molecules or any symmetric compounds is a optical inactive. Why is the optical inactive of a symmetrical molecules? Okay, explain. It's a plane polarized light, and symmetrical molecule have a symmetry, means all things are present in a symmetrical form. Means this is a symmetrical molecules, then all atoms are the same and have a symmetry, and many types of symmetries are present. Then all substance are in this part, it's a symmetrical molecule, means all things are arranged in a symmetrical form. Then when pass a polarized light on a symmetrical substance, then not rotate a plane polarized light in any direction, because the plane polarized light pass in a symmetrical manner and not rotate any direction. But optical active substance, asymmetrical molecule is a optical active. Why asymmetrical molecule is a optical active? Because asymmetrical molecule rotate the plane of a plane polarized light. How can rotate? Because asymmetrical molecule have a not have a symmetry, and here is a present, and the other substance is here present, other substance is here present, means not present in a symmetry, not present in a symmetrical manner. Then when pass through a plane polarized light on a asymmetrical molecule, then an asymmetrical molecule rotate the plane polarized light in any directions. For example, this direction, yet this direction. So asymmetrical molecule have a optical active, and symmetrical molecule is a optical inactive. And a chiral carbon is a asymmetrical molecule and so a optical activity, because chiral carbon in a center, and carbon have a 4 bond, and all bonds are bonded with a different compound, not bonded with the same compound, and that type of a carbon is called a chiral carbon, because all groups are not a same, all groups are not attached in a same, in a all bond of a carbon. So chiral carbon so a optical activity, because chiral carbon not have a symmetry, and it's a asymmetrical molecules. Okay, thank you friend, and in my next lecture is related to projection, and many types of projections, and many questions many questions are also, and that questions are come from a projection side. For example, Sawhorse projections and Newman projections, and other projections, and other things are related to uh, stereochemistry. Okay, thank you.